Sit.
And now you're not sure if you can close it. Exactly.
Sit.
Control it. Now you face it. You told us that you were committed to us.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Stay.
Stay.
Yeah, stay there.
Stay.
Authentic emotions.
Alright, we gonna let Granny get in on it. Ready? Oh, Granny, you missed the ball.
Just all came rushing back.
Bring it back, Boo.
Bring it here, Boo-Boo.
Boo Boo.
Come on, Boo.
Mommy had a lot of boyfriends.
Bring the ball.
Said she made a man mad.
Say, this is our version of two squares.
Started hitting her.
Sit. Ready?
Punishing her.
Woo. Little low, little low.
Ran back the other
Alex playing volleyball.
way. It was bad.
And Fanny's like, I don't know what's going on over here, but is it in the seat or something?
Oh, please.
Get it, Boo.
Here, Boo Boo. Bring it out here.